So in this video, I want to specify what exactly we mean when we're talking about these legibility conditions. In other words, what is the formal implementation of these legibility conditions? And so to understand that, let's consider, well, WH movement. So the fact that who, in a sentence like the one we were just analyzing, so who does, or rather who will John love? Who starts out down here, and then it's I merged up to the specifier of CP. So why is that the case? And the answer is, if we were to draw out kind of a simplified structure for this, we would have, of course, DP, who, love, I'll say John, and so on, CP, and we'll call this C. And there's tense and stuff all through here, but right now I just want to focus on two things. I want to focus on C, and I want to focus on the DP who. So both of these have these features associated with them, much like we saw of T, and in fact of C within the principles and parameters approach, these features that make certain things happen. And so we're taking that same sort of perspective here, although in very different terms. And so the idea is that who has this plus WH feature that is uninterpretable. Uninterpretable. And this gets to the fundamental thing that we're talking about when we're talking about legibility conditions. So let me just write that down. Legibility conditions within the formal system, legibility conditions are or consist in the elimination of uninterpretable features. So how are uninterpretable features eliminated? Well, the answer is there are particular relationships between heads and between phrases that have features associated with them that must ensue in order for the features to be deleted. So in this case, the DP who must move to the specifier of CP in order for this WH feature, let me just change colors here, for this WH feature to be checked against this WH feature. And once those are checked, once the uninterpretable features are checked, then they get deleted. And once they're deleted, we've satisfied the legibility conditions. Or rather, the one legibility condition. In this case, for a WH phrase, there's this uninterpretable WH feature on who, and this WH feature on C, which is also uninterpretable, and in order for those to be eliminated, they must enter into this specifier head configuration.